postnatal after delivery directly to the.
No, I am concerned about the size.
So like, madam, I think.
Far off from the civil hospital, I think we will want
It was taken on 2023.
Water, complete everything as it is according to the
Family, myself as the chairman, as well as the honorable members who are present here. This very note to continue with the conversation that we already had when we had a first-hand information while visiting the ongoing construction of the MCH hospital in Hinterland. So before the members will participate or to get some queries in this regard, I would request anyone from the health department, director or the engineering, if you could enlighten more about this project. DHC means it will solely depend on the same water supply or the existing one. Or new scheme, totally new scheme.
Totally new scheme. So it will be under depositors.
It will be under what?
Under depositors.
Okay, the district one. Okay. You have the money? You have. Okay. Oh.